Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your Fidelity Debit Card online at fidelitydebitcard.com. Follow these easy instructions to get your card ready for use in no time. Step 1. Visit the Fidelity Debit Card website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.fidelitydebitcard.com. This will take you to the official Fidelity Debit Card activation page. Step 2. Locate the activation section. Once you're on the home page, look for the section dedicated to card activation. This is usually prominently displayed, often marked with the word Activate or a prominent button. Step 3. Enter your card information. Click on the activation link. You will be prompted to enter your debit card number, which can be found on the front of your card. Ensure you enter this information accurately to avoid any errors. Step 4. Provide personal information. After entering your card number, you will need to provide some personal information for verification. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, and possibly your social security number. Make sure that all information matches what is on file with Fidelity. Step 5. Set up your online account, if necessary. If you don't have an existing Fidelity account, you may be required to set one up at this stage. Follow the prompts to create your online account, which will allow you to manage your debit card and access other Fidelity services. Step 6. Review and confirm. Once you have entered all necessary information, carefully review everything to ensure it is correct. Any mistakes could delay the activation process. After confirming all information is accurate, proceed to submit your activation request. Step 7. Activation confirmation. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen once your card has been successfully activated. Additionally, you might receive an email confirming the activation. Keep this for your records. Step 8. Start using your card. Now that your Fidelity Debit Card is activated, you can start using it for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. Be sure to keep track of your spending and manage your account regularly. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to activate your Fidelity Debit Card online. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more informative content.